So as you can see, you have a very clear breakout on the anchor protocol. It's a very clear pattern that the anchor protocol is breaking out right now. I'm going to give you the targets right away soon. Just hang on with me. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again to the Crypto Boy channel. So I welcome all of you to a new series, a new different type of content that is basically designed for our English speaking people. So we'll continue in this phase. So today the coin that we have taken into consideration is Anchor protocol. We will analyze this coin on every kind of time frame, starting from the daily overview. So let me just give you a quick basic overview what happened with the Anchor protocol. So well, technically our Anchor protocol price prediction has flipped some kind of bearish for obvious reasons, that the collapse of Terra USD that have put a huge question mark over the future of the top lending protocol. Well, you see on 13th May, I guess, the ANC coin completely collapsed along with UST. See, the price has dipped the lows of like almost, this is 0.17, signaling a massive capitulation from the holders. Well, nevertheless, the native asset of Anchor protocol started to recover after the announcement of Terra 2.0. Well, at the point of recording this video, you can see that the protocol price is trading somewhere around 0.30, which is almost 96% below its March, that was March or May? That was March, let's say. Where's the March? This is the daily time frame. Yes, it is almost like 96% below its all-time high. Let's March all-time high. Well, this such a massive collapse has definitely reduced the value of investors holding to the pennies. And according to the news today, the TVL has decreased by 95% as well, just in 3 weeks. So there are only 987 million locked on lending protocol. Okay, so the TVL was sitting somewhere at $17 billion right before the depegging of Terra USD. This suggests that the most investors have lost their faith in the platform and have moved their capital to the other protocols. But when there was announcement of 2.0 by Do Kwon, the DeFi protocols like Anchor, Nexus, and Prism, and the Astroport have signaled their support, these protocols would be migrating to a new Terra chain, where many crypto veterans are skeptical about the new Terra chain, including me, because once you have been bitten off by Terra Luna prices, you're not going to take the same risk again, I think. So there was a little bit of overview that what happened to the Anchor protocol and its very correlation with the Terra price as well. As you can see that we just see a complete bear market. It just looks like well, if we see that how much percent it has been down, so it will be almost like roughly 100%, roughly, let's say that. So it's completely, that's a definitely massacre. Well, let's not talk about that. That's gone, that's way gone. So now there is another thing, Terra 2.0 in the market, and everybody's talking about that. I'm gonna make another video about Terra Luna also. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're liking the video, please make sure you hit up the like button. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so here on the 4-hour time frame you can see that I'm sorry, you can see that we had this little support, or somehow we can say resistance as well, this place. Let me just move it a little bit down here. Okay, that's fine. Well, usually these resistance levels, they don't work as lines. These are the zones where we can put different kind of limit orders at different price levels. So this is the local support, you can say that, for the ANC. This would be local support. You can see that this was acting as resistance here, and when you came back, it has 2 taps on 4-hourly candles, and it flipped it as a support. So we had a confirmation here that this was a legitimate support. Now if you see, if we take a trend line from this place to this place, you can see multiple touches on this trend line being acted as a resistance. So that's very obvious that this is a clear breakout on the 4-hourly time frame as well as on the lower time frames. So if you're looking for an entry, I would suggest that you can enter at somewhere at this place. The targets for this would be let me just quickly do it for you guys. But first let's confirm the support. So can we confirm it? Well, yeah, if this place turns into support, like 0.618 level, like 0.25, you can buy it for the long terms. However, at current scenarios, I would never suggest you to go into these coins for shorter time frames or for like short terms. If you are looking to buy only for long time, like a year or 2 only, then this is the video you should be looking at. Okay, so I'm going to just draw the targets hypothetically because I don't feel right about this fib as well. I don't feel this is a good idea. Let's just have a confluence, just an added confluence. So this will be our ultimate target, 0.16, 0.51 for like immediate short term, and yes, this will be the short term target I can expect from there. But at current scenarios, I cannot tell you anything more than that, because you see it's a complete bear market, and these are the new ranges that we are talking about. If we had some kind of previous records of or previous kind of data, it would have told you better. However, if you're looking for like making some quick money, quick bucks, you should enter at this place, at this support level. This is a good support level. However, if this thing breaks below this red line, so this trade setup is invalidated. You have to be careful. Do not enter the trade without 4-hour confirmation, and this should be your target. Let me just write it down for you quickly. Short term. So this is going to be a target for short term. So here you go. Well, this was it for the Anchor protocol. Make sure you subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.